Hey fam, if your back and hips feel stiff or locked up, you're in the right place. In just 5 minutes, we'll target the areas that carry your tension, loosen up your spine, and open up those hips. No equipment is needed, just a mat, your breath, and a willingness to let go of stiffness. Are you ready? Let's hit the mat. Let's begin by unwinding that upper back and shoulders. Think of this as hitting the reset button for your spine. Start on all fours with your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Take your right arm and thread it under your body, lowering your shoulder and ear to the mat. Keep your left hand grounded for support. This stretch targets the tight muscles between your shoulder blades, helping to release tension and improve spinal mobility. It's perfect after a long day hunched over a desk or phone. If it feels too intense, place a pillow under your shoulder or head for extra support. To go deeper, extend your left arm straight out in front of you for an added stretch through your side. Now, let's bring balance to the body and release the left side. Think of this as equalizing your stretch, one twist at a time. Switch sides by threading your left arm underneath your body, lowering your shoulder and ear to the mat. Keep your hips square and your movements gentle as you settle into the stretch. This stretch not only improves flexibility in your upper back, but also eases stiffness in your neck and shoulders. With each breath, feel the tension melt away. Add a block or cushion for support under your shoulder if needed. If you're feeling adventurous, slide your right arm forward to deepen the stretch. Let's shift focus to the hips and side body, areas that hold tightness but crave movement. Think of this as creating space where there was none. Step your right foot out, keeping your left knee grounded. Place your right forearm lightly on your thigh and extend overhead, reaching toward the left side. Keep swinging your arm in a gentle motion, breathing deeply into the stretch. This stretch lengthens your side body from hip to fingertips, while opening up your hip flexors and improving mobility. Now, let's bring that same length and release to the left side. Each stretch is a chance to restore balance. Step your left foot out into a low lunge, keeping your right knee on the mat. Rest your left forearm on your thigh and extend it overhead. Swing your arm gently, breathing into the stretch. This move not only opens up the hips, but also stretches the obliques, helping improve both flexibility and posture. Use a block under your right hand for additional support. If you want more of a challenge, lift your back knee for added challenge and depth. Let's finish by loosening the spine and bringing fluidity back to your movement. Think of this as the bridge between flexibility and relaxation. Come onto all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone in cow. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin and pelvis in cat. Move gently between these two positions, letting your breath guide you. The stretch increases mobility along the entire spine, while easing tension in the lower back and neck. It also promotes a calming rhythm, leaving you feeling refreshed. If your knees feel uncomfortable, place a cushion under them. For an advanced variation, try holding each position for a few seconds longer to deepen the stretch. And there it is, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've opened up your hips, eased tension in your spine, and created a sense of balance throughout your body. Feeling good? Well, smash that subscribe button and join the fam for more routines like this. Don't forget to grab your free customizable fitness program. It's packed with everything you need to stay strong, flexible, and energized. The link's in the description. Keep moving, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.